Okay, looking at this, there is a problem, if you have noticed or not, that the beam and the rebar layer is quite the same. So we're going to be changing the beam layer. So let's just look for the beam layer. There we go, we have the beam layer. That's 3.30. That's not a problem. We're just going to change the color. Let's change it to a lighter color. Let's see what happens if I add this color. Okay, the lighter color looks good. So this is what the beam layer look like now. Let's see if we turn that over here. There you go, this is what the beam layer is going to be looking like now. Okay, so there we have the beam layer and the rebar. Now we can differentiate very good. Okay, now as we were talking about the extra top lengths, so the extra top lengths are going to be L by 3. So the correct length was L by 4 and the extra top length will be L by 3. So if it's L by 3, we're going to have 30 divided by 3. Let's see, 30 divided by 3 is 4.33 feet. So we're going to do an offset of 4.33 feet. Okay, let's just do an offset of 4.33 feet. There you go. One will be from there, another one will be from there. It's done. Then again, we have 12 feet and 1 inches, and I had considered that to be 12.1, but in actuality, the amount is supposed to be 12.08 feet. So 12.08 divided by 3 is 4.03. So we do an offset of 4.03 feet. There you go, from there, from there. Now for this we have 13.9, so I'm going to consider that 13.8 feet divided by 3 is 4.6. So we're going to do an offset of 4.6 feet. So here we go, offset of 4.6 feet. Okay, there we go, it's done. Now we have 13.8 again, so 13.4.6 feet. Okay. Okay, 4.6 feet. There you go. Offset 4.6 feet. There, and we have 8.48. So 8.48 divided by 3, L by 3 is 2.82, so we'll go with 2.82 feet. There. Okay, there you go. Now I'll just extend it. EXT, extend this. Right. Extend this. There you go. Again, this to this. 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 Yeah, we're going to delete this offset lines. Now that's the proper extra top length. Okay. Alright, so that's it for this video. We'll be continuing it on from the next one.